So what we're going to do, we're going to take the mustard and we're just going to pour it on here. Ah, there we go. I think that's enough. Let's smear it in a little bit. Okay. Still. All right. Now, a little bit on there. Oh well, a little bit more than just a little. And just soak it in here. And then you're going to spend a lot of time at the sink. Okay, so you come on over here and you keep rinsing it. It takes a little bit of time, but you still have a lot of soap on here. I'm using warm water, but you don't have to. You can use cold water if you want. Cold water gets out a lot of different stains, or it helps it. Okay, so I need to get a little bit more soap. So we add a little bit more soap on here. You might have to keep adding, rinsing and adding until it goes away. But this is the only thing that I have found out that really helps to get the mustard out. I tried vinegar and baking soda. For some reason that just wasn't working. So I went with laundry detergent, and it seemed to really help get the stain out. It maybe it won't get it totally out, but you won't be able to really see it. And for some reason, don't freak out, but it will turn like a reddish color. And then it'll turn back to being white again. So wherever the mustard stain is, just pour some more detergent on there. Yes, and I would think it would have to be liquid, because I don't think powder would do it. So make sure you get a liquid kind of detergent. We'll shut this off. Look, see, a lot of it's coming out already. I mean, it takes a little bit of work to do, but it will. Come out. So just keep pouring on there and keep scrubbing. But it's pretty much a fast fix when you're out somewhere and you spill liquid on, you spill mustard on you. You know, you don't have to take off your shirt, but you can just go over to wherever you can get some water, but you want to be taking detergent with you, so maybe somebody would have detergent. Or when you go home, you would just go ahead and, scrub it. There's just a little bit more in here. Looks pretty good to me. Let's rinse it. And then, you know, you rinse it really good, and then, you know, when you're ready to wash it or take it off for the day, go ahead and put it in the washing machine. I wash all my clothes on cold water. So let's see how this came out. I think it came out pretty good. Oh, except for right here. Here's some more. So let's put a little, see, maybe you can tell, but here you can tell the stain there. So just take it, put a little bit more on here. Like I said, see, it turns red for some reason. I'm not sure why it does that. But then it comes right out. So like even the red stain is gone too. So it came out pretty good. Like I said, you might use a little bit of bleach on your whites, but can't really tell.